When and how to use informal titles. Unraveling nicknames. Hey learners! Welcome back to our English Cultural Understanding series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of informal titles and nicknames. Ever wondered when it's appropriate to call someone Mike instead of Michael, or Jenny instead of Jennifer? Let's find out together. Remember, understanding these informal titles isn't just about language, but also about cultural nuances. Informal titles and nicknames are abbreviated or alternative names we use in more relaxed settings. They often signify closeness, familiarity, or simply cultural norms. For instance, Robert might become Rob or Bobby, and Catherine can be Kate or Kathy. 1. Closeness or affection. Friends and family often use nicknames as terms of endearment. For example, Elizabeth might be Liz or Lizzie to her friends. 2. Casual settings. In more relaxed environments, like at a picnic or during a casual meetup, informal names might be more appropriate. 3. Common practice. Sometimes, it's just the norm. Many people might introduce themselves with their nicknames, indicating it's what they prefer to be called. While nicknames are common and endearing, there are situations where they might not be appropriate. 1. Professional settings. In a business meeting or a formal event, it's best to stick to full names unless indicated otherwise. 2. First meetings. When you're meeting someone for the first time, it's polite to use their full name until they introduce a nickname. 3. Uncertainty. If you're unsure about someone's nickname, it's always safer to use their full name. Not sure what to call someone? It's okay to ask. People appreciate it when you show interest in getting their name right. Phrases you can use include: do you prefer Jennifer or Jenny? Is it okay if I call you Mike? Remember, it's about respect and building a comfortable rapport. That's a wrap on today's topic, learners. Using nicknames can be a fun and affectionate way to address those around you, but it's essential to know when and how to use them appropriately. We hope this guide makes your English conversational journey a bit smoother. Until next time, happy learning!